everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are visiting for the very first time, my name is Grace Ann and I also go by the name Gracie as some of my friends call me. The ear I'm unboxing today, it's called Unice Glueless V Part Wig. The inch is 20 inch and it's the kinky curl hair. I also received some goodies in the box. They sent a pack of eyelash, 4 clips, a wig cap, and a ear tie. I really hope I like this hair. This is actually my first time purchasing from this company. So far the packaging is not looking bad. I've seen better than this, but it's not that bad. I would give it like a 7 out of 10. So I won't install this hair today. That would be in another video. Today's video is just to show you exactly what the packaging look like and what the hair itself look like and the curling pattern of the hair. So far I'm liking the curls. They're very tight. As you all know that with kinky curls, they're mostly tight curls. So this is on the inside of the wig itself. It has like 3 clips in there. It has 2 at the side, 1 in the back, and then it have those snap clips closer to the front. It's 2 on each side. So this is a up closer look to show you exactly what the front of the weft look like. And this is the length of the hair. The hair, it's very nice. So I'll give you guys more information on this hair once I install it. I hope you all like this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate you all and thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in to my other videos as well. I will put the hair in the description box.